Hey guys, I found a little hack that I didn't know the Ford Falcon had. Take that cover off. Ever wondered or ever noticed this? You know, I guess it's Ford's little way of helping. Look at this, if you give it a pinch and remove it, it's a little fuse puller. So if you're ever out and about, there's something wrong with the car, you need to test your fuses. Let's say your dome light or something's burnt. This isn't the dome light fuse, but you know, you can use this little handy, puller to take out these fuses when you're out and about and you don't have pliers handy. So how cool is that, guys? I'm sure a lot of cars, actually, a lot of manufacturers have this, but yeah, in case you didn't know that your Ford had one, there you go. So guys, let me know if you didn't know this either. Comment it below, and as always on this channel we flick something for luck, so let's flick that little fuse puller for luck. Beautiful, very nice. And as always guys, thanks for checking in. Looking forward to hearing from you guys, your thoughts and ideas as well. Awesome. Catch you guys on the next one.